Hello everyone. Hello everyone and welcome back to Repair and Trade. Welcome back to our workshop. Today we've got this. Hope you can see that. This is our Massey Ferguson 175. If you follow us on TikTok you will have seen this before. I did a machinery tour video on it. Basically, we've owned this probably 10 years now, getting close to it anyway. I've never seen it run. It does run, but when we bought it, the people we bought it off ran it, like when they drove it onto the trailer, they drove it without hydraulic oil. So the hydraulic pump needs to look at it. We looked at a lot of other things, and basically the other things is what I'm putting back on today. So I'm going to try and get the bonnet and the grille on. I've got to compare the original grille and the new grille to see how different they are. I can't do the hydraulic pump on my own though. I don't know what I'm looking at. So this is how I'm going to learn that essentially. Because I do quite like this tractor. I've wanted to use it for a long time. I like my dad's 165 Sydney. This is Fred, named after my great granddad. So yeah, I want to be able to use this. So I've got to find the grill first. I believe that let me just move this piece of glass. Don't know what it's for really, this glass, but okay. I believe it's down here. Nope, just got a turbocharger there. Oh, it's up there. So this is the new grill, I think is what my dad said. Quite a new grill and it's already got rust on it. Brilliant. Put it right next to his new engine block. He's good at messing up engine blocks. It's not his fault though. That's the reason. If I ever do a will it start, or if I ever fix a machine, one of the first things I'll check is that piece needs to come to is if the thermostat is stuck. Because on his 165 it was stuck, and he essentially I guess that was the piece from the old grill. Yeah, it overheated and shattered the block. Literally went into a million pieces. My dad knows these larger 100 series engines better than probably the people who built them, to be honest. Is that the new one or the old one? I mean, it does look in good nick to be an old one, but it is also rusty for a new one. What does that feel like in there? Not a grill. Oh, no. Right, so I think he said in the back was where the old one was. Fuck's sake. Oh, got caught on that. Damn it. Is it that piece? That what stopped it? No. Okay. Right. Oh, this is the roof off of this 165. That cab up there, don't know if you can see it. Right there. I think my camera needs a bit of a clean. This one's got the big red wheels, which I like. I like the look of them a lot. That's the seat. Oh, that's a good seat. Where's this grill? My leg hurts. Right, I'm gonna look for this off camera. I'll get back to you, wife. So, I found it. It's in there. So, gotta move all of this first. Okay, so I found it, obviously. I didn't realise there was a front registration on there. Yeah, this one has more bits than that one, but that is just the grille. This one is a bit flimsier. I don't know where that piece come from. I'll have to ask my dad about that. That might be for the 165. I think if I stand these up, it'd be easier to see any differences. They look pretty similar. I think if I take these side pieces off, it'll fit right on there. How do you do that then? That's bolts and screws and nuts and shit in there. Okay. I'll probably do that. Now then. Do a quick post on Instagram, maybe on TikTok too. Yeah. Yeah, that is definitely the better one. I'm not really sure what my dad was on about. I might go and confirm with. I spoke to Father, and he said he thought that the new grille was deeper than the old one. But I've measured it, it's not. He might have thought that because parts of this one are bent and stuff, and obviously this is loose, so it's not going to be the same shape. But yeah, so now I'm just waiting for TikTok to upload over here. Go follow us on TikTok if you don't already. And if you're not subscribed on here, do that. 1,000 subscribers, we work on our Macro TR250, do a full restoration. But because the paint on this one is terrible, as you can tell, it is on all new stuff. We're going to shine it up, and then we're going to paint it. I think my dad said this was meant to go with this one. I don't know. This was actually meant to be a new grill for the 165. But it's got a grill on there now. It doesn't have a centerpiece though. So I don't know. But I'll shine this up now, and then we can paint it after dinner time.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
As you can see, I haven't achieved a whole lot here, just kind of shined up this area, because this thing is terrible. Our compressor needs servicing, so it's not quite working right, so I'm going to grab my drill and I'm going to get some wire brush bits for that, and I'll try that instead. Here's how far I've come. There's still plenty to shine up. There is bits of rust, and the paint on this side is proving more difficult than it did on the other side, but hopefully by the next video I'll have this all sorted, and then we'll be able to heat up, put can't remember what it's called, the undercoat stuff, and then paint it. So I know this has been a short video, but that's the intent with the 175, is for it to be short form or shorter form content than Bevy and the Brenton Cedros. So thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.